Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're going to be reviewing the iHOME IP15 LED color changing speaker system with subwoofer. And this is how it looks like. You have 4 buttons on top. The first one is the power button. The second one is to change the LED colors. See, flipping through them. The third one is to put the volume down, and the last one is to put the volume up. And as you're going to see, this is for use with the iPhone, iPod Touch, because the connector is a 30-pin connector. It's different from the new iPhones like the 6 or 7s, 8s, 10s. So what you will do is you will get an adapter if you wish to use the iHOME IP15 LED color changing speaker. I am using the iPod Classic with it, which fits perfectly in this. And what I like about this is the size for a speaker system with a subwoofer for your home. It's a good size, and I like the fact that it changes colors. It reminds me of a lava lamp like they used to have back in the day, how they say. And this subwoofer is pretty powerful too. I would say that, well, first of all, you're not going to find these on Amazon anymore. Perhaps through some third-party sellers or on Amazon or even through eBay, you can find this. But this is something that even, some of the bigger stores have discontinued, and they have opted for smaller devices or devices that you won't need an adapter to connect to your iPhones or the newer iPhones or iPods. But if you're looking for something like this, you might get lucky on eBay. You might get lucky like I did on a secondhand shop where I went, and I bought this for about $5. And iHOME was a company that was a lot bigger than it is now a few years ago. But if you manage to get your hands on an iHOME speaker, it's usually of good quality. As a secondhand shop where I bought it, they let me test it right there on the store. And let me just let you listen to the sound again. Okay, so you'll see that as the sound plays, as it goes through some powerful bass parts, you'll see that the colors will actually start rumbling, and that's a cool effect if you like that kind of thing. And also, while your iPod is on the device, it's also charging. So that's an added benefit to having this product. I'm going to read right off the box right in this case. It says it's compatible with the iPod Nano 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, 6G, iPod 4G, 5G, iPod Classic, iPod Touch 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, iPhone Original, iPhone 3G, 3GS, and 4. It has 5 color change modes: slow, fade, spectrum, favorite color, pulse to music, fast change spectrum, or no color. Universal dock charges and plays your iPhone or iPod while docked. Specially designed high-end Resin 8 speakers. Chambers deliver outstanding clarity, depth, and power. Okay, more corporate stuff. Universal 100 to 240 V AC adapter switching power supply, works just about anywhere in the world to power your IP15. And as I said before, you can buy an adapter so you can use it with the newer iPhones. But yeah, this is what it looks like. What else can I say about this? I usually keep this by my bed, since it's something that it's very small. It can easily go on the table, and you can flip through your songs. It has a good sound to it, as you can tell. It's not something that is going to have a lot of the advanced features that a lot of speakers have now, but it's pretty basic, and it has a pretty powerful sound. I don't, especially if you're able to get it in a secondhand shop for about $5, it's something that can serve your purpose. Yeah, see? So that's medium, and I'm going to put it as loud as it can go. You can feel the vibration through the subwoofer. So that's the product right there. Again, if you want to buy it, originally it was somewhere between $40 and $50, but now, like I said before, you can buy in a second-hand shop for about $5, like I happen to get it. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask me. I will feel happy to answer any of your questions, like I have been. Sometimes it takes me a little longer than others, but I promise I will get to your question as quick as I can. So that's been the iHOME IP15 speaker with changeable light. Yes, thank you.